Hey traders, yeah, today's trade of the day, pretty simple for me. It's gonna be AMC. It's my #1 stock, and as you can see, we have a bunch of fills right now, and we're actually short into this move down. So we'll explain that, why we got ourselves into that, and how exactly we traded AMC. We start the day putting it on our sticky note, and what we were trying to really do was defend this 28 area. 28 goes all the way back here to mid-December, where we did have a 28 top before we started to fall back down. So that's 28, and that's kind of what we started to do right here, actually, believe it or not. We started to buy in front of, maybe I'll sit on this side, we started to buy in front of 28. You can see 28, 25, 28 even, things like that. As soon as it breaks down below 28 though, we get out. We're able to actually, take some of the profit here as we get out of, I believe that was 20% on the first break, but then we're like, you know what? We can't scalp out. We got to try to hold some of this. We got to try to hold. So that's what we do. It comes right back up, and then we just start getting out like 28.50, almost near 29, some of these pre-market levels. Okay, that's all great. And then AMC makes an, so again, in on the long, not a problem. Then it just starts to collapse. And this is where we're like, okay, let's start to get a little bit interesting here and do some back testing, right? And all we really did was look back, because we were in this trade on Thursday, I believe it was, when we dipped below that 28, and then right there, we stopped at 27. The actual bottom's like 26.80 or something like that. And we're like, you know what? We're actually gonna level up a little bit and try to be smarter about this and not average in all the way down. So we take our first little bit right in this level here, 27.70, was it 27? Yeah, 27.75. We go long, and then we're like, you know what? Forget about this. I'm not going to defend the 50. I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to go back, trust my read from before, and then look what happens. It absolutely spits, pukes all the way to the downside. And there we are. It's about a 27.10 or so, 27.08. I'm not sure the exact fill, but we're sitting there and we get it on big back-to-back red candles, forcing AMC through this level and kind of shaking out some of those weak hands, which was me before. But this time, no. We actually wait for that very bottom, pick it up, and then it's like explosions to the upside. We actually did really good here because I switched again. We went to hold a little bit longer. We've seen AMC make these runs, so let's hold on to some and see if we can explode to the upside a little bit. So here it goes. Boom, out a little bit in front of view up. These are all like 50 cents. This is 27.50. Then it starts to blow up here, 28-ish range, right? Out into all this. Then boom, takes off, absorbs this VWAP punch down the downside, then just absolutely takes off, where at this level down here, up here, is where we start to short. AMC up today, look, it went red to green, obviously. Then we started to see some levels. We actually just saw it kind of go, it's not parabolic, but it's enough for me, go all the way to the upside here and kind of bounce around the top, which gives me two shorts in there, out, right? So these shorts is 29.25, out, around 29 even. We don't want to hold the short too long because we've seen this move before. So we don't want to get like reloaded and then boom, up to the upside. Then we get it out again on a 29 break, out again. Then it gives us that same opportunity one more time. We get 29.20s, then boom to the downside, boom. Gets them out 29, gets them out 28.90. Now we still hold right here for a 50 or 60 cent winner. AMC's my #1 stock. But look, apes, don't worry. I think AMC is going back up to the upside. We've been holding some of these levels pretty good. But look, as a day trader, this is the key thing. We always get told, why don't you hold? We have to be flat at the end of every day. You can change your mind. Like we went long, right? Monster move up. Then all of a sudden we notice that some of the buying and some of the volume has died down. We've seen it before, so then we switch our game over to a short. Look, this is what this is. It's day trading, it's AMC, and it's your trade of the day.